In this video, we will see how to add and subtract months in date. But here you cannot use the minus and plus for adding the months. You have to use the EDATE function. So I start by using EDATE formula. Just remember two parameter, date and number of months you want to add. Okay. Type here is equal to EDATE, bracket open. If you see here, in bracket, start date and month mentioned. My start date is this. I just select it and comma, and I want to add the month this. Select this one. Bracket close and just enter. You can get the 4-month add date. You can see here the start date is 11 November. After the adding the 5 months, you get 11th April 2024. Okay. Similarly, you can subtract from date, month also. Just select the cell is equal to EDATE. Select the start date, comma, month. This is not for- Then comma and select the subtracted month. Bracket close and just enter. You can see here the 11 November 2023 and 11 June 2023. After 5 days subtract, get the date. Okay, here I enter the -5 because I want to minus from this date. That's it. Hope you understand. Please subscribe my channel and like it.